I've been feeling really pretty and getting lip tattoos and such, so I requested some fat filler in my lips this time. I didn't feel it before. You need more numbing cream.
So your lip's not numb. Okay, well, let me use the
it's in the eye. Got my eye.
Yeah, your eye will get numb from this.
No, it got in my eye. Welcome in. This is Dr. Marc Mani in Beverly Hills, and he is doing stem cell injections that soften my scars, even my skin tone, make my face just move better. I can make expressions.
Oh, well, let me just test this. You're going to feel some of this. Does that hurt?
Yeah. It's not too bad, but...
Let me try the other side. This side maybe more. So basically now what I'm doing is I'm injecting stem cells from her own body that we took out a few months ago, and we froze them in a deep freeze, cryogenically preserved them, and now we're just re-injecting them into the scars. And over time, this, over months and years, it softens the skin. And so you felt that, right, Tanya, where your face is more supple?
Oh, yeah. Very much.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's inhaling the Pronox, nitrous, laughing gas. You'll laugh about this later, especially if we let you take that home.
I love it.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah.
Much better than like a hookah.
Better than a hookah.
I don't like
Heard it here
hookahs.
first.
Pronox better than a hookah.
You never know what's going to work. Okay. This is all new down here. I'd like to do a little here, but that's going to hurt. Let me see. Let's focus on the most important.
That hurt that you did. Not hurt. I don't know.
Well, I think it's, yeah, you're still going to feel it. It's just kind of blunts it a little bit. Nerve blocks are...
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay.
Breathe.
No.
Breathing.
How about your forehead?
It's not the needle, it's what's going in. Yeah. It's
so the needle itself doesn't hurt?
The needle pokes, but when you're injecting it.
Yeah, it's the pressure.
But it feels sharp.
Well, then it's the needle.
I've been sucking on that Pronox for quite a while, so I don't think I had any idea what I was talking about. These injections benefit everyone, not just scars or burn survivors. Using Nanofat instead of fillers is a really good choice to keep your skin just looking absolutely beautiful. I have never seen him doing it on me, so that looks intense.
I'm just injecting this stem cell fragment into all of her hypertrophic scars, just because she's had so many skin grafts and whatnot, and really beautiful work, right? You kind of know that you did a good job.
Yeah. My skin grafts are so good that you don't see like the seams, the edges of where all the different pieces of skin are connected, but the scars lie deep down and affect the way I can move my mouth and my eyes. And he is going down deep to inject the stem cells in those, and it's making such a big difference.
It's giving you more numbs.
Yeah, I just think with all the scar tissue, it gets a lot harder to do blocks.
Yeah.
We're used to this. Because that helps though, right? The nitrous.
Yeah, for sure. Helping me stay calm. Yeah. Before any of this started, they used a topical numbing cream because the nerve block, this shot that he's doing, is possibly the worst part of the whole thing, but I'm not even feeling any pain right here. And remember that this pink injection is the stem cells from my fat that they have taken, frozen, and isolated the stem cells from.
I do this, I like to try to go through the same hole as much as I can and just rotate it around so it doesn't hurt as much.
Oh, we'll help her get it back to her mouth. I don't know that she can feel her lips.
You want me?
Yep.
I just don't want to put my dirty hands into anything.
That's the executive director of Face Forward International and my patient advocate speaking. Her name is Mandy. And because of Face Forward, I'm able to get these injections.
See, the block's definitely working here.
Uh-huh.
Taking it like a champ, Tanya. You're a badass woman. You're doing so good.
Yeah, this is where I don't understand how women go through lip filler. Part of it is because I hate filler. Why would you go through that?
No,
and
he's
then look
next
fake?
to it.
Dr. Mani has to remove a lot of filler that people have gotten from other spas or doctors, and instead uses Nanofat and fat transfer. I'd like a very pouty bottom lip. I've been feeling really pretty and getting lip tattoos and such, so I requested some fat filler in my lips this time. Now, I've never had any of this done except under general anesthesia, so I'm not sure what's happening here, but I know they're going to use some of the actual fat instead of the stem cells and put it in my lips. And I had this done about 2 weeks ago, and I absolutely love the way my lips look now. Just a little bit of fullness. Never go too far.
Yeah, sting a little out here, but at least.
Oh. That's Molly, the nurse. She's the best.
It's good stuff. It's good.
What, this stuff?
No, this stuff.
You missed.
You're a mess.
Oh,
You look a fat lady.
I get that.
Well, especially for frozen.
It's not hot.
It is your hump fat, isn't it?
It's good that it can now do something.
Your lovely lady hump.
My lovely lady hump.
Yeah, buffalo hump is not an acceptable name. Lovely lady hump works just fine.
Yeah, we should just change the name in the academic literature.
I know. That's why I was so shocked when I Googled it. I was like, no, it's actually a medical term that they use for it. That's crazy. I mean, I guess it's the only comparison you have, right?
No.
Better than a camel.
Camel hump.
Actually, not really.
Twice the work.
I had a hump on the back of my neck that I hated, and Dr. Mani removed it for me in a surgery in March, and now we're using that fat to beautify, and I think that's amazing. I'm really very comfortable here. Sometimes there's pressure. When you get around the nose, it's pretty sensitive. But overall, I'm very comfortable, and I was really, really afraid to do this in office. The scars and skin grafts make it more uncomfortable, harder to numb, so the procedure without them would be a breeze.
I'm good.
I was like, I can't. I feel like I shouldn't be touching it.
I got one more.
One more syringe. Let's go for the gusto here. Let me just.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try this. This is going to be a little bit on your nose here.
Oh,
Never mind.
oh.
Okay.
That one was kind of tender.
Yeah, that's because it's not numb. The block doesn't work on your nose. Yeah, I'll just go here. Just keep going.
I know I'm a little impartial because this man has reconstructed my nose and done all of these injections and just fixed scars, but he's the best.
Okay, fat now? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get those lips going. Now, that
Might
needs
have to
be
take that out of
my
your
now
mouth.
take it out.
I know, I'm trying to get some. That's what you're doing.
You got this.
Now this part looks pretty rough, but it wasn't uncomfortable at all. And remember, this syringe actually has fat in it, not just the stem cells. How's it gonna stay?
How's it gonna stay?
Uh-huh.
Your body holds when it
Well, I
eats.
mean, it's fat.
But the other fat goes away, right? In terms of the stem cells.
But
No,
it's been
that's not how it
processed.
works.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
The other fat doesn't have any fat cells in it. It's all stem cells.
Oh, this is different.
This is fat cells.
It's your actual
Oh my God.
the
I want it
separated
to be
fat.
real front in the middle, like,
Don't
ooh.
touch yourself. 'Cause you're
Sorry. I'm high. I'm high. Sorry.
Sweet. Okay.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I can't
me
believe
too.
it.
This seems to be working out.
I know these are 30. Damn, that feels thirsty.
Feels weird, huh?
Thirsty.
Forrest always got to get through the skin grafts.
It doesn't hurt. I don't feel it.
It's a good thing.
Wow, look at that happening. That is awesome.
Amazing.
Okay, I think that's good for the lower and then the upper. You want me to do the upper right a little bit?
Yeah, make it, I know.
Well,
Use your artist eye, your surgeon eye. Make it 30.
Yeah, I'll do a little bit.
Okay.
The miracle of lidocaine.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's crunching. Awesome.
Just go to the border here. On this center.
I don't have the Q-tips though.
He can see your lip color now.
I don't have the
so-
Q-tips though, you know.
Yeah, you do, because she outlined
Reminds me of
it.
a Jerry Seinfeld routine 25 years ago. He got up on stage and said, "I have a message for the women of America. We can see your lips.
Ah,
We can see them."
25 years ago.
Yeah, I saw him in concert
Wow.
way back in 2001. And think about that was before filler. That was like
Right.
collagen, you know.
Right. But I still want some pouty lips. And just wait till the end of the video when you see them. So this video is in pretty much real time. I cut out a few sections, but it was about 15 to 20 minutes to do all of this. Do y'all look pouty?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
I don't want to do any more than
And
that.
this is Molly using what's left of my fat and rubbing it over my face. That part hurt.
It hurt, huh?
She's
it
not
still
wasting
hurts. It's
anything.
different now.
Yeah.
Over there, it still
Yeah.
hurts. Yeah.
No nerve block.
Everything else is fine, but that was
They weren't done.
sensitive.
Yay.
That was great.
You're awesome.
You
Let
should
me
do
put the
that.
little peptide mask on you.
What a beautiful group of people to do this. This is a picture of me in 2024 before I came here and met them. And this is me after the procedure. I love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.